ever pondered why Earth remains warm enough to sustain life? The answer lies in the greenhouse effect. Now, you might be wondering, what is the greenhouse effect? Well, it's a natural process that keeps our planet at a temperature that's just right for life as we know it. Picture this. The sun, our primary source of heat, sends energy towards the Earth. Some of this energy bounces off the Earth's surface and heads back towards space. However, a good chunk of it is absorbed by the Earth, warming our lands, oceans, and atmosphere. So how does the greenhouse effect fit into this picture? Well, certain gases in our atmosphere, namely carbon dioxide, water vapor, and methane, act like an insulating blanket. They trap some of the sun's energy that would otherwise return to space. These gases let the sun's rays in, but prevent some of the heat from escaping. This process is what we call the greenhouse effect. Think of it like a greenhouse for plants. The glass panels of a greenhouse let in sunlight but trap the heat, creating a warm environment inside, even when it's cold outside. Similarly, greenhouse gases in our atmosphere trap heat, keeping our planet warm and hospitable. So the greenhouse effect is not our enemy. In fact, without it, the average temperature on Earth would be about -18 degrees Celsius, far too cold for most life forms to survive. However, here's the catch. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas, as well as deforestation, have increased the levels of these greenhouse gases. This is like adding extra blankets on a warm night. It causes the Earth to heat up more than it should. This accelerated greenhouse effect is what's driving global warming and climate change, and that's a problem we need to address. But that's a story for another time. For now, let's remember that understanding the greenhouse effect is the first step towards finding solutions to our climate crisis. And we all have a part to play in this global effort. The amplification of this greenhouse effect has profound implications for our planet. With an excess of greenhouse gases, our planet becomes like a car parked in the sun, heating up rapidly. The result? Climate change, a phenomenon that we are already experiencing. As carbon dioxide and other gases intensify the greenhouse effect, temperatures rise. This increased heat doesn't stop at making our summers hotter. No, its impact is much more far-reaching. It's causing glaciers to melt, contributing to a rise in sea levels. This in turn threatens coastal cities and islands with flooding and even complete submersion. More than that, the intensified greenhouse effect is also disrupting weather patterns. We see this in the form of increased rainfall and other extreme weather events, from hurricanes to heat waves. The effects are widespread, and we are already witnessing extreme weather events. The consequences of an enhanced greenhouse effect are not just predictions for the distant future. They're happening right here, right now. Fortunately, there are ways to mitigate this problem. As we navigate through this global challenge, it is essential to explore various strategies to control the impact of the greenhouse effect. Shifting to renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power can significantly reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, thereby decreasing greenhouse gas emissions. Adopting energy efficiency in our daily lives, from the way we light our homes to the cars we drive, can also make a substantial difference. Planting trees, nature's own carbon storage system, is a simple yet effective step towards a greener planet. But these actions alone will not suffice. The importance of international cooperation and policy changes cannot be overstated. Climate change is a shared problem, and it demands a shared solution. It requires nations to work together, set goals, and take collective action. Understanding and addressing the greenhouse effect is crucial for our future. Together, we can take steps to reduce pollution and ensure a better tomorrow for future generations.